No, fuck. Okay.
Well, actually, technically, I did reach Lana. I reached the automated voice recording pretending to be Lana. So, and then.
Can everybody
tell me
stop
what to do.
fagging out?
I don't know.
Can everybody stop fagging out? Can everybody stop fagging out? Can everybody stop fagging out? Fagging out, fagging out. Over the sniffles, 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 sniffles. Stop fagging out. Stop fagging out over the sniffles.
Sniffles.
Yeah, stop fagging out. Stop fagging out. Stop fagging out over the sniffles. Sniffles, sniffles, sniffles. Stop fagging out. Stop fagging out. Stop fagging out. Stop fagging out over the sniffles. Because the longer you do, it's gonna get worse. It's gonna get worse. The longer you do, it's gonna get worse. 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 The longer you fag out over the sniffles, the worse it's gonna get.
Sniffles.
Sniffles. Legend, look at you. Look. What was that? Anyway, stop fagging out over the sniffles, for fuck's sake. Seriously. It's not helping. Not helping at all. No.